Hello everybody, this is a video today. I need a video for you guys. Yay! You all love me, right? Yes. Today, SSD time. There's an unboxing of this. There is an unboxing of this. Not in the video, I'll put the video link in the description. That is King Diane. Which is 32 gig, yep, 32 gig drive. I went to get all my laptops SSDs so I can turn it on and use the video. So I know for a video or something. And this is the first step, getting this Acer Fire 1 working. Battery's bad. Battery's bad. I do have it, but it doesn't work anymore. But I wish I need to use the charger, that's what I do. And yeah, it's small, but it works. That's what she said. Anyhow, yeah. I put it as a D in there. Bad thing is, this is a pain in the to take apart. You guys show that process now. I'm gonna get the keyboard off. I will speed it up to get all these screws out. I'll go to the bottom cover. So probably the keyboard out. Pretty standard. I put this one on the back here. And find where the little indents are. So you're in that. Right. Hold it. And then here. I put my so okay. So now let's unplug the camera. And boom. More keyboard. Alright, so you heard of the noise. What you usually get to the bottom or just put it in. Nice Acer. So there are screws, they were door. I'm going to take out this small both side screws. Just right now, I'm back when I'm done. Alright. Now here also there's a little button here. So there's a door release. You have to put Acer in to release the door. Ready for my editing. Pop this loose. Now we go around the edges. Or just pull off. Not easy. Alright. So now we plug in the SSD. Zoom on it. Yeah. Right. And we'll plug in the SSD. And it fits in. No screws, I guess. Alright. Now for the bottom here. On it with a feeder. Of course. Oh, I put this TV. My bad. Prep. That's a pain in the ass. Snapping with. It's not like solid underneath. It's nothing but manually. Alright. So now I'm good. So let's just right back in it. Alright. I don't know what's over here. Couldn't have what I could do. I wanted to is leave this screws out and use that burble release to do it. Because it's probably strong enough to water in. But man, whatever. It could be worse. You get all the screws, not just ones that'll do with the door. That would be annoying. Yeah. Next time I'm sure you guess is the keyboard. And slide it back in. I'll do all this here to see more what I'm doing. I'm just a pain in the ass. I don't like this Technica at all. Suck. Alright. And then I also got to know that it works. It's a pain. It's a bit annoying to get out of this. Actually, let me grab my backup hard drive out to load the image over. Alright. Introductions are fine, right? Regular viewer. And back in it. But oh well. Oh yes, you need this drive here. Power cord. Have this in a battery. You know, undo the unravel the power cord. Plug this in. Wait till it still starts. I didn't turn it on in a long time, so. Like last year, actually, it was not long, I guess, but. I don't know, there's something blank on me. You guys can see what happened to these. That's a good thing. The insert boot device, the boot disk. I put my universal. I can't do a temperature with this computer. I don't have a VGA adapter. But a little bit closer. It would be easier to read. Like my flash drive. Right, they're on this side. And then I plug my small hard drive that has the. This is my calculator, so I can get there under. Change the plans. Give it easier. I'm gonna move it first. I start squaring the image. Just bring it on her. Now you're for some G. Alright. I know the keyboard was still anyways. The guys is the SSD. That's good. Boot. No, you don't want that. That's not bootable. What if it's that one you want up more? The floppy or flash? I'm not sure. Let's try and move that one up more. So F5. Or starts. Yes. 10. Yes. Aha, there we go. Okay, and I can reflect do. Alright. Waiting in there. This is the computer. I'll be back. Okay. So now we have the image that's actually on this hard drive. It's not. Well, I gotta go find it. Whatever happened to it. Oh boy. I didn't check before I started this. I probably should have. Oh, it's big enough for this image. I did not check that either. Care. Browse for image file. And let's try. Computer's not the fastest. Okay. Backup. Clones. Yes, it is on here. 80 gig. Oh, fuck. That's a problem. God damn, 80 gigs, really? Yeah, okay. Can it maybe show me why it's so big? Browse image. Yeah. I want to be on the desktop, that might help lower the size. Please wait. I'll wait. Not patiently. I'll wait. Alright. There we go. How much is in the users folder? Raise. Let's see how much is in there. And Windows. Oh. Yeah, we can make it work, alright. 67 gigs. I'm sure we can fix the image, maybe work. Problem is I put a lot of it in here. Oh, we can't make it work. Only shows 6. Just gotta delete stuff. I might be able to. It didn't because of me. Yeah. Virtual box probably. Something to do with it. Virtual box begins, huh? 1.4. Downloads. Might have something to do with this. 51 gigs. Alright. Oh, all the ISOs. So, I'm gonna do is okay. I can recopy it later. Or let's see if I can users. Okay, close the image. Other actions. Touch. No. So back here. Scissors. Me. And delete it all. Oh fuck. Alright. Can I disable that? Crap. Okay. That poses a slight problem. I'll be back. I can figure this out. Okay guys, plan B. And no, not for your girlfriend. Time to reinstall Windows. Because you can't edit the file. God damn it. Let me go ahead and shut the computer off first. Unplug the hard drive. Boot back up. We'll install Windows 7 Starter. And I have to reactivate it. Damn you. Okay, let's see here. 64. There's no Windows 732, but it's there. Oh, crap. Main menu. 64. 64 bit modified. Shit. Okay. That's better, but it's not. Oh, fuck. Hey. Stop that. Yeah. Huh. This is going great, guys. And you off a CD? No. Let me load the little image on this Motherboard drive. I'll be back. Alright. Let's try that again, shall we? So this is a 32-bit computer. Well, I can't use that other one. Yay. That's 32 universal. What we want. Here. I don't know why it does this. I don't know why it does that. But yeah. Go ahead and boot. I'll be back. Alright. There we go. Hit next, of course. Install now. Setup is starting. Loading drivers, loading this, loading that. I am bored. Who knows what it's actually loading? 24 hours later. Damn it, I didn't say it in time. Oh well. That's here. Windows 7 Starter. You know how the license for. I read the license agreement. From the first word to the last word. Minus. Custom. Oh, perfect. Yay, it's gonna install. I'm not saying it's not enough room. If I did check on that, make sure it's enough room to install it. Just didn't check that in track for them. Stupid. Okay. I'll be back. I'll be back. I'm gonna do this real quick. Oops. Product key time. Alright, I finally loaded and moved forward. Took long enough. Especially all hit updates on my device because, you know, break everything. With And dumbass micro shit. Eastern time, of course, I live in Ohio. And there we go. I decided I'm gonna do the drivers at a later time and date because, you know what? That's enough for 1 video. The SSD works, installed. You're still picking slow as hell. We're gonna do a boot test and see how fast can it get started. As soon as it goes in the first time. Which, well, we'll be here waiting a minute. Clock is 10 minutes fast. Good job by us. Uh-oh. Should we do that? Yes, I guess. Okay. Yeah, 26. No. Alright, at 30 seconds. Currently, I'm gonna turn it on. Like, editing might be a bit longer. Oh, fuck. Hang on. That ain't fair. Alright. 47 seconds. On the camera's over. So 10 seconds. Put it set so you can get her stuff. 20 seconds so far. 30 seconds is half a minute. $40 seconds. And that's about a minute to load in. Can't dang it right, but let's see. Acer D257. Let's see what SATA version it has. There's two of those from us. Not that good. RAM storage. 300, yeah, it's SATA 2. RIP. So as you can get. Okay. See you later. I will do the drivers later. And yeah. Hope you all enjoyed it. Until next time, stay easy.